To add an issue type to a Jira project, follow these steps. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account with administrative privileges. Navigate to Project Settings. Go to the project where you want to add an issue type. From the project sidebar, select Project Settings. Open Issue Types configuration. In the Project Settings menu, click on Issue Types or Issues. This will open the issue type settings for the project. Edit Issue Type Scheme. Click on Issue Type Scheme to view the current scheme associated with your project. Click the Edit button to modify the scheme. Add a new issue type. In the Issue Type Scheme screen, you will see a list of issue types currently available. Click Add Issue Type or Add Type. Choose from existing issue types or create a new one by selecting Create New Issue Type. Define New Issue Type. Enter the name and description for the new issue type. Choose the issue type's type. Click Add or Create to save the new issue type. Assign issue type to project. If you created a new issue type, ensure it is included in the issue type scheme for your project. If needed, adjust the scheme to include your new issue type.